Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if it's not your first time. In today's video, we're gonna be cooking some authentic Jamaican curry goat. I've seasoned this meat already overnight, so it's very marinated and we're all soaked in the right place. It's gonna be finger licking good. But today we're gonna cook it differently, because today I'm gonna be learning how to cook curry goat in a steel pot. So we're gonna get all of that juice out of the goat. Look at that, so nice. As we all know, for us Jamaicans, curry goat or anything that's been curried has to be to perfection. So you have to get some garlic, some ginger, burn in the oil first. Then we have to go in and burn that curry to get that color and the flavor that we want. And also remember, if you're watching this video, please subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Once you burn that curry, that flavor is gonna like ignite in the meat. It's gonna be amazing. All the flavors coming out. So we're gonna add the meat inside now and let the ship sail off.
Until it's boiling, and then you turn down the fire and let it turn off the fire.
This is actually my first time cooking curry goat in a steel pot. And if you know anything about these steel pots, they contain a lot of heat. So whenever you cook something in this, it's very cooked. So Miss Lady is teaching me how to use her steel pot, because there's technique in using a steel pot as well. Yeah man, the goat seems to come out already. One thing, this Australian goat is very nice. Very nice meat. I have to give them a thumbs up for that. We're getting there now. The meat is getting tender now. So soon I can add the seasoning and let it flow. Look at that color. That color is so rich. That's why I said when you burn your curry, you get the best flavor out of it. The best, nothing but the best. So we're gonna add the seasoning inside now. And then smooth sailing all the way to the port.
Hey Siri, stop the timer.
Nothing like a good plate of curry goat and some rice. Set the mood right. Remember guys, subscribe to my channel. Help the channel grow. Forgive my background sound. The vacuum is very loud from the stove because I have to turn it on to get some of the scent out of the house. So finally the ship has docked. Look at that meat. Gravy is very thick and rich from all that seasoning and that herb green seasoning. Look at that meat. From the looks of that, you know that's very well cooked. Look at the meat. Look at that. Curry goat doesn't get any better than that. That's what I'm telling you. If you didn't have one of these steel pots, get one. Thanks for watching. Until next time.